National Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Webster Parish in northwestern Louisiana, south central Caddo Parish in northwestern Louisiana, central Bossier Parish in northwestern Louisiana, until 4:15 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 3:34 a.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Shreveport, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Shreveport, Bossier City, Minden, Houghton, Sibley, Doyline, Dixien, Eastwood, Fosters, Ferguson, Princeton, Fillmore, Bodkai, Bellevue, Barksdale Air Force Base, Gillard, Robson, Forbing, Sligo, and Red Chute. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:15 a.m. Central Standard Time for the following parishes in Louisiana: Bossier, Caddo, and Webster.